Sturgeon with Metric Design and Creative Director Tamara Bowman. Good morning, Tamara.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
You too. Beautiful location, beautiful home, and the design concept is gorgeous as well. Introduce us again to this river house.
Yeah, so the river house is an amazing project. So what we have done is we bought a home that needed some love and some renovations. So we've kind of got it like stripped and ready for this, and now we're like ready to kind of find that right buyer and start, introducing the work and bringing that design all together. So we've created a concept already that is, we believe, is amazing, and we've put that out there as the proposed concept, but of course it can be adjusted to whatever somebody would like. So
okay, and perhaps working with that buyer.
Absolutely, yeah, exactly. So what we have planned for the exterior is we're going to replace a lot of the stone. We're going to take it to more of a prairie modern style, which is one of my favorite styles. It's got a great architectural feel because it has really slender windows and a lot of weight to it just by adding those few materials. So we're also going to use, instead of a natural cedar, we plan to use more of a metal, kind of a faux cedar. So it just gives that kind of longevity and that really low maintenance factor. So and then just blending those few finishes. So we have the wood effect, we have a stucco, and we have a stone. So just a really natural feel overall, and then trimmed out with some black windows.
Okay, well, let's take a look inside.
Yeah, absolutely. Come on in.
A look inside now with the renos underway and design concept. What's all planned, Tamara?
Okay, so exciting. This is got to be such a big transformation from the beginning. I'm sure if you all remember, it was very closed up, and we've just taken everything and just opened it right up, painted it white, so you kind of get that kind of glimpse of what, potentially that space could look like. So the entire goal of this design is open and really bringing that outside in. The yard is so gorgeous, so we really wanted to make it feel like you have the ability to kind of, you're almost like you're outside when you're inside, which is an incredible feeling. So how we're going to do that is we're going to take the two bays off. So we have the bay coming off here and the bay coming off at the front, and we're creating these box bays. So it basically is the floor runs into it, it creates a little bit more floor space, and the glass comes around it, and it becomes almost like a glass box planted on the outside of the home. So that is going to give such an incredible effect, and being that we have this front and back it happening, we have the extra feeling space being added. We're also removing all of the baseboard heat here. We're going to put in floor heating, so then that'll be really nice. It'll clean up a lot of the walls just on this level here. And then we have this kitchen, just so open, so beautiful. Again, we're putting in this nice big window, a big backsplash window here. So that's going to give just such a very, very, cool feeling when you're, washing dishes and you've kind of got that beautiful backyard view.
Look outside and really just inviting overall for the new owners.
Absolutely. And then, just the finishes being really light and really durable. So we're going to do, beautiful quartz countertops, and we're going to kind of box in that island. So you kind of have that effect of quartz all the way around. We also have really great, wood detail coming in on some of the cabinetry. So we kind of have, those two different finishes coming together, as well with a little bit of white cabinetry. So built-in appliances, just a really, really clean, open area here. And then we're going to put in a door actually on the side here with the beautiful deck off of the side. So that is kind of what we have planned for this space, and then just having it so they really open up together. The other thing that's a really cool detail is we're going to have, because we have a little bit of a level change here, is we're going to have the a bench seat that's going to come across in the dining room, and that back is going to kind of create the wall for the next level. So it'll be really nice and open.
Well, beautiful design concepts for River House and Metric Design. Thank you, Tamara.
Good, thanks so much.
Thank you.